If you are looking for admission, undergraduate admission in maths at the University of Oxford, then you need to appear for a mathematics admission test. If you are applying for one of these following courses, you are required to sit for the MATE, mathematics admission test, that is computer science and philosophy, mathematics and computer science, mathematics and philosophy, mathematics and statistics. Um, so the MAT test is subject specific admission test. So you have 2 hours and 30 minutes and set under the timed condition. So you have a given time which is 2 hours and 30 minutes. In 2 hours and 30 minutes you have to complete the test. MAT is designed to be approachable for all students, including those without the further advanced A-level mathematics. So these are the details. You should have the previous knowledge of the mathematical knowledge and techniques required to do the questions. They are taken from roughly corresponding to A's level maths and few extra topics from A-level maths. So if you have studied the A's level and A-level maths, then you can easily appear in this test. And the syllabus covers the mostly from A level and A's level. Which question you answer in the test depends on the course you are applying for. Details for precisely questions you attempt are given below. So let's say if you are mathematics and statistics, then applicant should attempt questions like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have mathematics and computer science, applicants should attempt questions like 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. If you are looking for admission in computer science and philosophy, applicants should attempt question number 1, 2, 5, 6, and 7. So Oxford applicants who are also applying for courses like Imperial College London and the University of Warwick should attempt the questions required by the Oxford courses they are applying for. The questions in this test is a multiple choice, so you have multiple choice and it contains 10 parts. So each worth 4 marks. The marks are given solely to the correct answers, though you are encouraged to show any working out. Question number 7 to 2 are longer questions, and each word we have 15 marks. You will need to show your working, so you have to show your working on a sheet. Part marks are available for longer questions. You should attempt 4 questions from 2 to 7. The selection on depending on the degree for which you are applying is above. If you are applying for, let's say, statistics or mathematics and philosophy, then the section depending on the degree. So you are not required, so no calculators, no formula sheets, no dictionaries are permitted during the test. There are spare blank pages at the end of the test paper. Answers on extra paper should be securely attached to the booklet. So there will be no further credit gained by attempting questions other than those appropriate for a degree. Let's say if you are attempting questions for the computer science, but actually you are applying for statistics, so you will not be given any mark for that. Why do I have to take this test? Because most of the applicants have a great personal statements, excellent references, and also they have a top grades. So it's very difficult for the people at Oxford to select so many qualified candidates. Therefore, they have to appear in the test. Do I have to pay? Candidates are not charged for the test. How are the tests designed and reviewed? So when the department wishes to introduce a new admission test for the courses, there is substantial concentration process in the university. So how do I register? So if you just click this, how do I register, then you can easily register for test. When do I take tests? So the test dates are Wednesday 30 October 2019 and Wednesday 4th November 2020 and Wednesday 3 November 2021. And these are the test dates for the 2020, 2021 and 22. How do you prepare for the test? So first thing is you can review the papers for the mate, the previous papers. So sit down and practice the past papers in actual test conditions. Third one is you have to check the syllabus, what kind of syllabus they have for the test, and then follow that syllabus, and also revise the topics those are related to the syllabus from a A-level book. Also read through the further resources provided below. So let's say you have here past specimen papers and mates labels and the further resources you have. So you can go through all these papers, and the solutions are also given. So you can attempt these papers in actual test conditions. Um, and then you have a math syllabus here. So the math syllabus contains the topics like combination, binomial probabilities, derivatives. You can find updated math syllabus for here.